Okay guys, it's Tonya and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do wig reviews on synthetic units mostly, but also human hair. If you're interested in looking at some awesome human hair and synthetic wig finds, go ahead and subscribe and stay tuned. So today's wig install is a butter lace unit. I did a sort of a poll on TikTok. If you have a TikTok, please follow me, link it in the description box. But I did sort of a poll on TikTok and I asked them, what wigs they would like for me to review. And a lot of them said basically all the butter lace. Everybody loves this, and the sensational butter lace. It's a hit. It is human hair. This one is human hair and premium synthetic blends. It's not all of the butter lace are synthetic blend with human hair, but this one is. It is butter lace unit water wave 16-inch, and I have her in a color too. Have her natural color. This does say it has HD lace. This is what I want to talk about. First off, it's pretty. This wig is pretty, not gonna lie. I've seen it on other YouTubers, which prompted me to get it. However, this is not pre-plucked, okay? And the fact that it is synthetic, or no, curly synthetic, I'm probably not gonna pluck it because I'm not gonna pluck it because it's gonna make it frizzy, and we all know when synthetic hair, once the curly hair gets frizzy, there's no going back. It's really hard to get it back to its curly state. It's gonna take a lot of products, and then by that time it's just, at that point, it's worthless. But let me go ahead and throw her on so you can see what it looks like. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is what I mean when it's really dense. The hairline is really dense. So and then the knots are really big, so I'm not able to pluck it. I'm not even gonna try to pluck it because I'll just end up ripping the lace. But she is thick. She's a thickiana. Okay. I really hate when there's so much lace on this. I'm probably gonna cut this off in a second. Let me go ahead and push the baby hairs back so you can see the hairline better. I'm just pushing the hair back. I usually do this on a mannequin head, guys. And this is, I'm just pushing the hair back, and then so I can get this install popping. Okay guys, so I'm going to start my voice over here. I'm just adhering the wig using my Ebon lace adhesive spray, and I'm going to I sprayed it under the lace, and then I did a spray over it. As you can see, the hairline, this is an older unit, so the hairline goes behind my ear, and it's really annoying when it does that because that means I have to leave on extra lace, which means I have to lay extra baby hairs to hide the lace. So I'm glad that for their newer units, they don't do that. The hairline actually extends out further, and it doesn't go behind the ear. So you can see what I'm talking about here. I'm trying to melt the lace as best as possible using the Ebon lace melting spray, because I'm trying to hide this lace child. Like, you see how much lace I had to lay just to cover my own hairline. I'm just going to go ahead and pull out all the baby hairs I can. I did pull out a bunch of baby hairs, as you can see while I'm talking, but I did not record me laying the baby hairs. Like, this was basically like surgery, and I needed full concentration, which means that it was going to take longer. I just didn't want to bore y'all with the whole process of me pulling the lace out. I mean, not the lace, the baby hairs out. But anyway, stay tuned for the final results, in my opinion. Okay, guys, I'm back. This is the finished product. Yeah, this is the finished product of me applying this unit by Sensational. So this is an older Sensational wig, and my complaint with the older Sensational wigs was that the lace, like the hairline, tapers off behind the ear.
and so I wasn't able to cover any of the hair that comes, like my hairline kind of like is right here. Yeah, so I had to finesse it. I had to pull down a bunch of baby hairs, which I don't really like using a whole bunch of baby hairs. Like I like doing like the, you know, 2 here and 2 on the side, but like I had to really finesse this hairline. So it looks really good now that I did that, but so I'm not complaining anymore. But yeah, then their newer units don't do that. So thank God they kind of like, I don't know if they listened to my video because I was the only one that was complaining about it that I know of. But yeah, no. So it just takes a lot of finessing, and I really, really hate that. I stopped when it came to like doing like the recording, when it came to applying the baby hairs, because it was just like I had to concentrate, and I couldn't like, you know, try to keep focusing the camera and then do, because I had to really, you know, work my baby hair magic with this one. And I just cut some layers, as you can see, because it was just so in my face, and I have a small face, so a lot of hair, like big curly hair in my face, it just don't work for me. But yeah, I just did some layers in the front. Let me turn around. I fluffed her out. Excuse my lunch in the back. I fluffed her out in a little bit, not a lot. I just didn't want to mess up the curls too much. But yeah, she's big, she's thick, she's cute. This is definitely gonna be hot. So if it's hot where you are right now, this is no, sis, stay in the air conditioning. You know how that go. Again, thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like it. If you like the mink lashes that I'm wearing, the 100% real mink strip lashes, please click the link in my description box. It's my own personal business, 1111 Beauty, where I sell 100% real mink lashes and some other accessories. Please check it out. I also, some of the wigs that I did review will be on sale. It's tonyam.bigcartel.com. That link will be in the description box as well. Visit my Amazon store, my Amazon store fronts, where, you know, you can buy like things that I use on a regular basis to keep up my beauty on a budget. And also wigs, some of my favorite wigs, you can check that out, purchase them. Thanks for watching. Bye, stay blessed.